everyone, today we are reading Pete the Kitty and the Unicorn's Missing Color by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete sees his friend Stevie the unicorn at the playground. Stevie looks sad. "Hi Stevie," says Pete. "What's wrong?" "The magic unicorn dance party is tonight," says Stevie. "But I lost all the colors in my rainbow tail." "I can help," says Pete. "We can use my magic paintbrush." "Where did you last see your colors?" Pete asks. Stevie says, "When I was playing in the park." "The park is very big." Stevie looks worried. "We will never find my colors before the dance party," Stevie says. "Which colors are you missing?" asks Pete. "Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple are gone," Stevie says. "Look!" Pete points his magic brush at a berry patch. "Let's borrow some red." Pop! A magic red blaze appears in Stevie's tail. "Wow!" says Stevie. "Now we know what to do," says Pete. "Great!" says Stevie. "Do green next." "Green is everywhere," says Pete. "The grass is green, the trees are green." Pop! Stevie's tail gets a green blaze. Stevie prances. Wow! "That butterfly is yellow," says Pete. Pop! Stevie's tail gets a yellow blaze. "Hooray, Pete!" says Stevie. "3 more colors to go." "This flower is orange," says Pete. Pop! Stevie's tail gets an orange blaze. "Keep going, Pete," Stevie says. "The party starts soon." "The lake is blue," Pete says. Pop! Stevie's tail gets a blue blaze. "1 more left," says Stevie. "The clouds are purple," shouts Pete. Pop! Stevie's tail gets a purple blaze. "Yay!" Pete and Stevie cheered. Stevie jumps for joy. Pete found all the missing colors. "I love my rainbow tail," says Stevie. "Come with me to the party." Stevie and Pete dance at the magic unicorn dance party. Stevie's rainbow tail is a big hit. "Thanks, Pete," says Stevie. "It's cool to help friends," says Pete. See you all next time with another read aloud. Thank you, everyone.